Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on and off all of your electricity in one single button. So what you're going to need is you're going to go to the decorate section, go to lighting, and you're going to add in this power box wherever you want. I have it on the side of my house. Then when you exit build mode and you just want to turn all of your electricity off, you are just going to walk to that power box and just turn off. And as you can see, everything turned off. That's just lighting from the outside. You do need to turn off the TV yourself, but every other electricity will turn off, and that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.